Hello, Adit. What is going on?
Hi, Tuba. I'm over the moon. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. So, what do you think about your neighbor?
So, my neighbor is actually a good person, and I have a close connection with him. Do you know anything about a neighbor? Like, what is his name?
Okay, so actually, we know that the people who live beside our house or near our house are called neighbor, and we have good relationships with them.
Oh, that's great.
So, what do you think? Is your neighbor kind?
Yeah, of course, my neighbor is kind, and as I've spent a lot of times with him, I have known about his characteristics for a long time, and he seems to be very kind about me, and he helps me in a lot of things.
Yeah. So, do you visit your neighbors?
Yeah, of course, I visit my neighbors twice or thrice in a week, and sometimes they invite us to their house, and I go there with the whole of my family. So, Tuba, is your neighbor kind?
Yeah, also my neighbor is kind and I love to spend time with her. She is my best friends. We do everything in our premises, in the house, and talk about with them, helps each other, shares our foods and the joys and sorrows.
Oh, that's great.
How do you talk your often with neighbors?
Well, when it comes to talking, I gossip whenever I get free time with them, because there isn't any long distance between us. They just lives beside us. So whenever I get time, I talk with them, and whenever I have time to play, I play computer games with my neighbor's children.
Okay. So, is there any perspectives comes when your neighbor needs help, and what do you think about that? Do you help him?
Of course, I help him. There are several times in case where I needed help and my neighbor helps me a lot. So I also try to help as much as I can to my neighbor. So Tuba, do you talk to your neighbor often?
Yeah, I also talk as you said that they lives near our house. So when we are going out or come to our house, we talk each other, and as we have some fields in our residence, so often in the afternoon we go to there and talk about our daily chores and everything.
Oh, that's great. Do you play with your neighbor's children?
Yeah, my neighbor's children's like my age, so we play with them and also watch movies, then go to shopping, everything.
Oh, that's nice.
So our neighbors is like a part of our family, right?
Yeah, of course. Our neighbor is like a part of our family, because we know that humans are social beings, so they can't live alone at any place. So my neighbor is a good opportunity to build up with a relationship with a new person. My neighbor might change because I might migrate from one place to another, but the current neighbor which I have will remain always in my memories.
Yeah, we should build a good relationships with our neighbor, as you said that humans are social beings. We do not live alone. So if we made a good friendship or relationship with our neighbor, so whenever we need help, then they can help us, and we can also help them, because we are the human beings and we live by helping each other.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.